Hey guys, it's the Breakaholics here, and we are giving you another video with 2 boxes of the 1920 Black Diamond Hockey Hobby Box.
Woohoo!
We like this one, as you guys know. We're hoping for some good hits in this.
Huge.
So, let's see here. Right or left?
Left.
Okay. Left it is. Let's just get down to it.
Yeah, these are good. Cool boxes.
I like this part. You get a bonus pack. So we'll start with the Exquisite bonus pack. It is just 1 card.
We've gotten some decent cards out of these packs, though.
Yeah, for sure. And it's a good size one. Bottom one. Let's see, who did we get?
Quinn Hughes.
Quinn Hughes. It's a good looking rookie card. As my husband would say, too bad it's not signed.
Yeah. I almost said it too.
I got you, babe. Okay. Black Diamond. 5 cards per pack. It's a pretty good
sick, yeah.
size box. Or box pack.
It'd be sweet if this was signed.
What did I tell you guys?
Maybe there's one in there. With the pack, too.
Okay, no peeking. Okay, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 6?
No, those...
Oh, no, okay, 5.
They put those black inserts in the between.
Card number 1 is Connor McDavid.
Yeah, they're cool looking cards.
Mm-hmm. They definitely put thought into their cards and making sure their packs were worth it. Okay, card number 2.
There we go.
There we go.
Ryan O'Reilly.
Sticker auto, but in gold.
Yeah, that gold ink.
Mm-hmm.
Number 99. Stud.
I like that a lot. Good looking card.
Yeah. That gold on black is cool too.
Plus we're Blues fans. A bonus for us. Okay. So this one is upside down. Philip Sedina. Okay, we got the team logo jumbo patch. Clearly we got wings. Looks really nice though.
Yep.
And then Diamond debut relics jersey, Cale Makar.
Too bad it's not signed.
I like the maroon.
Yeah.
And our last card of the box. Jack Hughes, Black Diamond Cutters.
It's pretty cool.
I don't think we've ever seen one of these. It's a pretty card. That's really neat.
Yeah. For sure. Be cool if it was signed.
Do you guys hear what I put up with? Okay, box number 2. We got the sun is setting at our house, so we've got the sunlight over on that side. We'll have to figure out a way. Okay, box number 2. We've got our bonus exquisite pack. And our normal pack. Thanks, honey. There we go. Now you don't have no beams of light coming in our video. Okay, here we go. Bonus pack.
Maybe it's the holy light beaming on our big hit right here.
Well, it was making that Jack Hughes one look really nice. Okay, for our exquisite collection. He's totally a fan, if you can tell.
Man.
Still a good looking card. Can definitely tell you we're probably not Fabro fans.
I wish we were with all the cards we get.
We may have other cards in our videos of Fabry, but we also open boxes for our own personal pleasure. And, oh, sorry. Yeah, Fabro. And, we've pulled him a couple times now.
A couple was an understatement. I swear they mass-produced his card for some reason.
His and that Brandstrom.
Yeah.
Eric, I think his first name is. Okay. Nice, good stack. Let's see. Miko.
Getting the stud base cards. Let's get a stud hitter.
Oh. Sparkling Scripts. Matt Murray. Goalie for the Penguins. Looks like it's another sticker auto, but still really nice.
Yeah. Yep. Beautiful card.
Okay. Might slow roll this one.
Okay.
I may have saw the name. Okay. Maybe.
Jack Hughes.
Do 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 do. Yeah.
You should have signed it.
Just right over the top. It's a cool piece of patch, though.
Yeah.
It's obviously this lower portion here. Hopefully he'll have a little bit better next year, season-wise, since they're all done. But still, he was a good one to watch. Okay. Then we have a Hall of Fame rings. Do you hear that?
Just disappointing.
One of you guys watching this video are probably out there and you enjoy these cards and you're like, wait a second, I want that. Let us know. I would like to point out though, look at the hand placement in this photo. He's like touching the cup.
Modeling.
Well, he's got to get his ring in there. Okay, and last card. Barrett Hayton. Ricky Gems. How many Coyote cards did we get in those 2 packs?
That's the only one.
Oh,
Thankfully.
maybe just because I'm just seeing so much maroon.
Yeah, what a letdown couple of boxes.
Well, what did we get in the box? Or the
Nothing.
2 boxes?
Nothing good. Probably that one.
This is probably our personal favorite.
You got an auto there, so that's good. The
And then we did get 2 Jack Hughes.
yeah, manufactured patch. And cool looking card.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nothing too crazy.
Still a fun pack to open up. We do enjoy seeing what we get. And showing you guys, of course. Giving you our reviews.
They're gorgeous cards.
For sure. I just haven't seen this one before, so this is just really cool. I just want to keep showing it. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed our video and that you please like us, give us comments, subscribe, let us know your thoughts. My husband tells you guys all the time, let us know what we can work on. Seriously. Don't feel shy.
Yeah, please.
We'll see you guys next time.
Yes, very soon. Do another one very soon.
Yeah. Later.